We are pleased to show you the 2013 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.